Hello, kindergarten. This is Miss Martinez here. I will be teaching math today, and you're going to see Miss Hornbeck's face tomorrow. We are going to keep talking about subtraction. Yesterday, you saw a video about us doing and using our hands to learn about subtraction. So we're going to be doing the exact same thing today. We're going to be using our hands. When I say mirror hands, you're gonna say mirror hands with me. Let's practice. Mirror hands. All right. Then after I say mirror hands, everything I say, you are gonna repeat the same thing I am saying, and you're gonna do the same things I do with my hands. Okay, let's start. Mirror hands. Mirror check. Good job. Subtraction is to take away. Mirrors off. Now the next thing that we do is to practice our teaching somebody. So you're going to become the teachers and you're going to teach somebody about subtraction. And the way we do this is I say teach and you say okay. Teach. Okay. Teach. All right, now you have to do the same thing I do. So if I clap 2 times, you're gonna clap 2 times and say okay. If I clap or I snap, you're gonna snap and say okay. So you have to be paying attention to what I do because I might want to trick you, and you have to do the same thing I do and then say okay. And then you're gonna find somebody to teach all about subtraction. Like I said yesterday, you can find a family member, a pet, a stuffed animal. Find somebody or something in your house that you can teach all about subtraction. Okay, and I'm going to give you a few seconds to do that. So when I say teach, you say okay, and then you go ahead and teach all about subtraction. Let's try this. Teach. And you're going to do okay, and go ahead and teach all about subtraction. Good. Now, I hope that you use your hands and you showed that person that subtraction is to take away. Remember to use your hands. Now I'm going to show you what you have to do in your math journal. So I'm going to switch up my screen to show you some examples and then your math journal. If I have 5 books, so I'm going to draw 5 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I took 2 books back to the library. So I'm going to cross out 2 books that I took back to the library. How many books do I have left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So that's my answer. 3 books left. We're going to go through another example. I'm going to say I had 8 flowers. So I'm going to draw 8 flowers. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I gave 6 flowers to my friend. So we're going to X out 6 flowers. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flowers. How many flowers do I have left? 1, 2. That's my answer. 2 flowers are left. Now you're going to be working in your math journal. You have some subtraction word problems. So you're going to listen to the word problem. You're going to draw a picture to match. And then you're going to write your answer. I'm going to read the first one. It says, there are 6 frogs in the pond. 2 frogs hop away. How many are left? We're going to go back and read that first sentence. There are 6 frogs in the pond. What we need to do first is draw the 6 frogs. Now remember, if you don't know how to draw frogs, what can you draw? You can draw shapes. I'm going to do circles. And we said the first number was 6 frogs, so I need to do 6 circles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it says 2 frogs hop away. What do we need to do now? We need to X 2 frogs. That's 1. That's 2. Now it says, how many are left? How many frogs do we have left? 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's going to be your answer. Now, you're going to need somebody at home to read the next one to you so that you can draw your picture and then write your answer. Same thing with the next one and same thing with the last one. On the next page, you will be using your fingers to take away. So remember, on this one, you can use your finger. How many fingers is it showing here? 1. 1 finger. And then it says, take away 0. You have 1 finger and you're taking away 0. So how many do you have left? You need to write that number. Let's try the next one. How many fingers is it showing here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Let's show 3 fingers. 3 fingers. And then it says, take away 2. So you can take away 2 fingers. That's 1. That's 2. How many fingers do you have left? Just 1. And you're going to write that number here. Use your fingers to work on that one, and that one, and that one, and that one, and the 2 at the bottom. Now that we're finished with our math lesson, we're going to talk a little bit about our phonics. So we've been talking about the digraph ch, ch, and ch. It's made by 2 letters, letter C and letter H. Letter C makes the sound k, k, and letter H makes the sound h. But when you put them together, they make the sound ch. Now, can you come up with some words that make that ch sound? If you come up with some words, you can tell the person next to you what words you came up with that make that ch sound. Now that you've done that, you can look at a video that is linked in the description of this video, and it is a CH digraph song that you can look at, and you can also look at our read aloud for this week. All right, that is it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.